Hi Jasi, how are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so can you tell me something about yourself?
I'm Jhansi Rani Varnakavi. I have overall 3+ years of experience with manual and automation. As the automation tester, my responsibilities are first of all understanding the requirement
Mhm.
and writing the test scenarios and writing the test cases. And after test execution, if I need to compare with the actual result with the expected result. If there is any deviation, I have to write the bug. There is no deviation, go for next test cases. For bug raising, we are using Zira tool. After bug raising, we have assigned to the dev team. Dev team, after fixing the bug, dev team reassigned to the testing team. After getting the uh, bug, after getting from dev team, we have to retesting the application, and if it is okay, then we close the test. And also I have knowledge of Selenium with Java
Mhm.
automation testing. Yeah, that's
Okay,
about it. Thank you, sir.
okay, great. Thank you so much for your introduction. So, can you tell me what is interface?
Interface.
Mhm.
Yes, sir, I'm not sure.
Yeah, no
Can-
worries. Yeah, no worries. So, interface in Java is nothing but it is similar to a class that contains only abstract methods and fields, right?
Yes, sir. There is no
Yeah, there is no.
execution is not there. There is only
Hmm.
we have to write the code.
So since all
There
the
is no
methods are
implementation.
abstract, yeah, correct. So since all the methods are abstract, then what happens is you cannot instantiate the interface, right? Okay. Can we declare a final method in the interface? Or
Final
can we
method.
can we declare an interface as final?
No, sir. If we mention like final, we can't implement
Hmm.
interface.
Correct. It will result in a compiler error. You are absolutely
Yes.
right. Hmm. Now, tell me what type of data type is a string? Is it a primitive data type? Is it a derived data type?
String, non-primitive data types.
So yeah, so string is not a primitive data type, it's a derived
Mm.
data type.
Derived data type.
Right, right. Okay. What are the different types of exceptions that you are aware in Java?
Exemptions.
Hmm.
There is no such element exemption.
So,
Element, there is.
yeah, sorry to interrupt.
Um,
So that is related to Selenium, right? No such
yes.
element not found, still element. But what
Yes.
about Java? Which are the different types of exceptions that you get in Java?
Mm. Sorry, sir. I'm not aware.
Okay, no worries, no worries. So let me just share my screen. Okay, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So there are two types of exceptions basically in Java that you will get. One is the user-defined exception, one is the built-in exception. Again, in built-in exception, you will get two types, checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions, right? Checked exception can be class not found, interrupted exception, IO exception, SQL exception, file not found, right? These are
Yes,
all
yes.
checked exceptions. What are unchecked exceptions? So that is arithmetic exception, class cast exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bounds exception, array store illegal thread state exception. So these are the built-in exceptions.
Oh,
Hmm. Okay, fine. Okay. Which are the different types of statements in JDBC?
JDBC.
Mhm.
Sir, I'm not aware of it.
No worries, no worries. This is a mock interview. Don't worry. So let this be an open question for the people who are watching this video. What are the different types of statements in JDBC? Okay, please put your answer in the comment section of this video. Okay. Can you tell me what are access specifiers?
Private, public,
Mm-hmm.
and a static default.
Oh, okay. Private, public, default, and protected.
Protected. Yes.
All right.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Now, okay. Can you tell me what is encapsulation?
It is binding the methods and um, variables into class,
Mhm. So can
wrapping
you
the
give me
data.
some
uh,
example? Yeah, yeah.
Wrapping the data.
Wrapping
Yes.
the data. Okay. Can you give me
Uh,
some example?
in class, we write the variables and
Mhm,
methods. In by creating the objects, we call the object both combined in objects.
mhm. Okay. Can you write a simple program on encapsulation? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. You can click on share screen button, the green color button, and you can share your screen. Whichever application you are comfortable with, Notepad, IDE, let it be Eclipse or IntelliJ, right?
Okay.
One simple
Intelligent.
program on, yeah, on encapsulation. Yeah.
Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Um, yes, yes, it's visible.
Mm. Mm. Sir,
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
ceramical.
Mm-hmm. So, can you tell me how is this related to encapsulation?
Here we are mentioning variables, and here
Mm-hmm.
is the method, and
Mm-hmm.
with the both we are using an object here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So, what about getter or setter methods? Do you have any such kind of methods in your program?
Yes, sir, it is automatically, it is predefined methods, getter and setter methods.
Yeah. So, can
Mm.
you? So, okay. So, see. Let me share my screen. Uh, see. If you get this question in a real-time interview, then you can explain this kind of program. So you can write this program. See, we have taken one class student in that we are having private data members. So we have private string name, we have private integer roll number, right? And then we have public getter method to access the name. So this is one of the method, right? Then this is one of the method to access the roll number. So first name, then roll number, and then we are using set method to set name and set roll number, right? So this is a simple example of encapsulation. It has got a private data member, you've got getter methods, you've got setter method, right? So this is how you can write this Java program to explain encapsulation.
Okay, sir.
Hmm? Okay, great. Okay, what is identity hash map?
Hashmap is for using storing the data
Mm-hmm.
in use it to storing the data. It is store the data. Mm,
The hash map you are telling, or identity hash map?
I know only hash maps, sir. It is storing the data
Mhm.
without regular.
Okay, see, identity hash map is nothing but it will implement the map interface using hash table, right? So again, it will compare keys and values using reference equality, right? Now this class, again, it implements the map interface, right? But it will demand that the objects are compared using the equals method, right? So that is what is you called as identity hash map. Okay, it again belongs to java.util package,
Concept, sir.
right? Okay, great. Now, mm, okay, what is the difference between hash set and hash table?
Hashset is store the data in a particular manner, like 1, 2, 3.
Mm,
In it is store the data in order.
Which
In
one,
other
hash set or hash table?
hash set.
Hash set, okay.
Yeah. In hash table, it is storing the data in one table, and one table. In one a table has a lot of a number of rows. It is storing the data in same table.
Mhm. Then,
That's what I mean.
okay. So, if you get this difference in a real-time interview, then you can cover these 4 points. See, hash set, it will allow null elements. Hash table does not allow any null elements, right? Now, objects that you enter in a hash table, they do not maintain any insertion order. While in case of hash set, they are inserted based on their hash code, right?
Yeah.
Then hash set is not synchronized while hash table is synchronized. You can use put method to insert into the hash table, while here you will use add method to insert into the hash set.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. What do you know about arrays?
It is the collection of
Mm-hmm. Sorry?
is the collection of data set, collection
Co-
of data.
collection
We
of
can store
data.
data. Yeah, we can store heterogeneous data or
Mm,
we can store heterogeneous data in single array.
mm-hmm. Okay. What is the difference between list and set?
Mm. List is we can store different types of data.
Mm,
Set is we can store only one type of data.
mm. Okay. See, list is actually an ordered collection that will allow you duplicates, while set is an unordered collection that does not allow duplicates. Okay. Okay. When should you use a list in Java?
List, array list. Sir.
No, no, just list. Or
Mm.
yeah, array list. Yeah.
When we have to store duplicate elements, then we can use list.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you give me some example?
Like duplicate list means we but suppose we have lot but names we have to store names. So same person, different persons have same names.
Mm.
So then we can store in. We can use list on that time.
Okay. So you mean the array list you will take at that time?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Is array list primitive type or what is the type of array list?
non-primitive type, non-primitive types.
Okay. Okay. And which class will it inherit?
List
It inherits abstract list class and implements the list interface,
interface.
right? Okay. Okay. What does clear method of array list do?
It will clear all data in the array.
Mm. So it will remove all the elements from the
The elements in the
list.
array. And then
Okay. Okay. How will you iterate through a list and set in Java?
mm,
Not sure.
by
Mm-hmm.
no sir,
By
I'm
using,
not
yeah, I think you were telling something.
by from object class we can iterate list and set.
Okay. In Java, you will use objects.
Object class.
Mm. So you can use Java iterator interface, right? It will allow you to cycle through the list and sets,
Mm, okay.
right? You can also use for loop.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, fine. Now, mm, okay, can you write a program on reversing a string? So let's say your name is Jhansi, right? Now you need to write a Java program on reversing the string.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah, you can share your screen.
Done, sir. Sir, am I correct?
Okay, so you are done with this. Okay, so can you run this program? So what approach you are taking? Hello, yeah, can you run this program?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. You're getting one error, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, no worries. So let me check if I can help you here. See, there are multiple ways to reverse a string in Java. One of the approaches you can convert that string into bytes, and get bytes method, it is used to convert the input string into the bytes, right? So let me just share my screen. Mm, yeah, now is my screen visible?
No, sir.
Not visible?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me again share my screen. Okay, now is it visible?
Yes.
Hmm. So what we have done is there are multiple approaches. So here I have, I'll explain you two of the approaches. One is using the string builder. So we are trying to reverse the string using string builder. So any string you can take and you can see this is the input string, right? So you
Yes.
will first append that string into the string builder input, right? And then just a second. Yeah. And then you will reverse it. Okay. And then you will print the reverse string. This is using the string builder. Okay. One more
String.
approach is using the byte array methods that I was telling you, right? So you will use get bytes method to convert the string into bytes. Okay. And then you will use the for loop, right? So again, there is one more approach. You can use directly for loop and you can traverse through the string, right? So multiple ways are there with the help of which you can do reversing a string in Java. Okay. Okay, Jasi, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Can you please give me the feedback?
Yeah, yeah. So, Jasi, see, your theoretical knowledge in Java is good, right? You were able to recall the concepts. Now, few of the concepts like collections, hash map, hash table, hash set, list, array, those things you have to work on. And this programming practice you have to do. Rest all looks good. Your communication skills are good. You are confident, right? At times you are getting a bit nervous, but don't get nervous. Once you will get nervous, no, then even if you know something, you won't be able to answer,
Okay.
right?